Jhatpat recipe.
Aloo Baingan sabzi. In a thick bottomed pan, heat some oil on medium heat. And once hot, add the onion and cook until golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, methi dana. Once the seeds start spluttering, add the ginger garlic paste, saute for 2 to 3 seconds. Add curry leaves, 5 to 6 leaves. Fry all ingredients very well. Then add 1 Jhatpat. Add 5 to 6 whole black pepper. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon white cumin powder, sofed zira. Add long 2 to 3. Mix it well. Now add to medium fine chopped tomatoes. Mix all ingredients very well. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, rye dana. Add heap 2 tablespoon roasted crushed sof and sapdania. Mix all the masala very well. Cook for 2 minutes. At any point, if the masala starts sticking to the bottom, add a splash of water to deglaze the pan. Now add 1/4 cup water. Now add 3 to 4 whole green chilies. Now it's time to add masala. Turmeric, haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder, lal mirch powder, 1 tablespoon, or according to your taste. Once you've made the base or masala, add in the potatoes and eggplant and cook until the vegetables are tender. Mix well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes over medium flame. This step is necessary to enhance the flavor of the sabzi. Add 1/4 cup water, mix well. Cover it with a lid and cook until the potatoes turn soft. Stir in between 2 to 3 times to prevent the sabzi from sticking. It will take approx 5 to 7 minutes. Add salt according to your taste. Mix well. Cover with lid for 5 minutes or until no excess water remains and the oil starts to separate from the curry. Add whole green chilies and coriander leaves. Add garam masala powder half teaspoon. Mix well. Aloo Baingan is ready to serve. Transfer to a serving bowl and sprinkle the rest of the cilantro over it.